Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where you'd gone. It fell softly from the clouds on a silent crowd as I wandered on. Out of doorways, black umbrellas came to pursue me. Faceless people as they passed were looking through me. No one knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes, face up to the skies, drinking in the rain. But your image still was there, floating in the air, brighter than a flame. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity, and I heard the steady rain whispering your name, whispering your name. For those of you who are having your lunch right now, let me be your appetizer. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity, and I heard the steady rain